Ate Sally, dati 5% down lang kami. Pero ngayon, naka 20% equity na kami. Pwede na ba namin ipatanggal yung CMHC insurance? Quick answer, hindi pwede. Kapag insured na ang mortgage mo by CMHC, Sagen, or Canada Guarantee, permanent na po yan for the life of that mortgage loan. Hindi siya pwedeng ipatanggal, i-refund, or i-cancel kahit gaano nakalaki ang equity mo. The only way na mawawala ang CMHC insurance is if you refinance your mortgage. And this time, may at least 20% equity ka na para sa bagong mortgage loan. Pero tandaan, yung CMHC premium na binayaran mo before, hindi na siya marirefund. Once it's paid, it's done. Now, may exception lang. If your home is energy efficient, CMHC has a program where you can get a partial refund of your premium. Pero, dapat qualified ang bahay mo and na-applyan mo agad after purchase. So, unless pasok ka sa program na yan, the insurance stays. Hope that helps!